Ito yung ibang campsite. Lumipat kami kasi yung unang campsite yesterday super lucky. Double campsite kasi yun. Kaya lumipat kami dito. Galing lang kami sa lake, nag-swimming. Eto, nag-happy hour. Ayan. Jack Daniel with the Canada Dry. Ngayon magluluto na ako. Ayan yung aming canopy with mosquito net. Kasi minsan dito sa mga campsite maraming mosquito. Shout out to Aileen, Rapper, my ading, and Ray. Sila ang nagbigay nito, regalo nila sa amin. It's really nice canopy. Kasi sometimes yung mga campground dito may mga lamok tsaka bugs. Yan, ito yung campsite namin. Yun, nakasampay yung galing lang kami nag-swimming kanina. Ganda dito kasi maraming activities. May shower, may flash washroom. So, medyo malayo nga lang from Vancouver. Mga 5 hours siguro. Mga 5 hours yata. 5 hours drive. Eto, just wanna share this campsite. Maganda. We love it. And close to a restaurant if you wanna go to restaurant and eat some special food. Tapos okay na okay dito mag-bike kasi ayan ang ganda ng daan. It's not rough. So ang ganda. I love it here. It's just too far from Vancouver. But we might come back. Ayan. That's the whole campsite. Alright, magluluto na ako. Tapos may bike kami. Yan, nag-bike kami kanina umaga. And then after that, we went to the lake and swim a little bit. And yeah, that's yan ang life ng nagkakamping.
Okay, as Glenda's cleaning the fish. It's from Osprey number 1.
That's it. That's our dinner for tonight. Avocado, tomato, cilantro. It's like a salsa thing with the combination of fish, garlic fried rice, ginger, and there you go. That's Roger's favorite food.
Yep.
Are you happy?
Ooh, wow, so good.
Okay, let's eat.
Stop this.